Hi guys, I'm Yim Chef. Today I'm gonna show you how to make kimchi pancake. Have you heard of kimchi pancake before? Kimchi pancake is one of Korean side dishes and it is called Kimchijeon in Korean. Kimchijeon is a great snack for alcoholic beverage as well. Kimchi pancake is super easy to make. Let's make it together. The ingredients are so simple. Kimchi, Korean pancake mix, and red pepper powder. If you don't have Korean pancake mix, flour is okay. Please cut kimchi into small pieces using scissors. For making kimchi pancake batter, prepare a bowl. In the bowl, put 100 ml of pancake mix called 부침가루 and add 50 ml of water, 100 ml of kimchi, and 1 spoon of red pepper powder, and mix them up. Well done! And add some oil on the heated pan. After that, put the mixture on the pan and spread it evenly into round shape. After 5 minutes, flip it over and cook the other side as well. And press it down with spatula. If both sides are cooked well, we are all done. It tastes a little bit spicy and sweet. The texture of Kimchijeon is chewy as well as crispy. So Korean people usually recommend it for a rainy day. It is Korean simple dish, so you should give it a try. Enjoy great snacks with alcoholic beverage like beer. Thank you for watching this video. See you on next time. Bye bye.